Hello team, here's my justification for the design choices I made when creating the infographic we need. The principle of proximity means putting related design elements in a group together. I use this principle with the title, here, subtitle, here, and the isotope, here. The principle of visual hierarchy means to arrange design elements in level of importance. Visual hierarchy has various focal points that have visual weight and alignment. I use this design principle throughout the infographic. The title and visual number are the dominant level focal points. Here's the title, and here's the visual number. The isotope, subtitle, and graphics are the subdominant level focal points. Here's the isotope, the subtitle, and here's the first graph, second graph, third graph, and lastly, the conclusion and the sources are the subordinate level focal points. Here's the conclusion with an icon, and then the sources. The principle of alignment means design elements are arranged close to a line or margin, and I chose to make the infographic have a horizontal alignment. And if you follow along with the mouse, you can see on both sides there is a balance. If you can imagine a line going up and down through the infographic. On the left and right side, there is a balance of text and visuals, which creates the horizontal alignment. The principle of closure means there is an incomplete shape, but our minds fill in the negative space and complete the shape. I use the house icons to apply the closure principle. The principle of similarity means objects that look the same are grouped together. Anomaly means there are similar objects with some that are altered to draw attention to them. I use both principles with my isotope. So the isotope here, as you can see, the houses are the same size and shape, but they are different colors to stand for the different numbers of institutions that they represent. The principle of color harmony means color choices present a sense of order. I use the analogous color scheme throughout my infographic, which uses 3 colors next to each other on the color wheel, at least up to 3, and I only wound up using 2, the blue and the purple, because the dark gray is a neutral color. The principle of contrast means creating visual weight between the background and the text. As you can see, there's the white background and the infographic information with the dark blue, light purple, and dark gray colors. They bring out the text and the images and the icons and the isotope, etc. The principle of fonts means to choose different font classifications to create contrast and visual hierarchy. I used Antonio font for the titles and text that needed more emphasis, and Helvetica font for subtitles, regular text, and numbers, because using 2 fonts is much more effective than different fonts, many different fonts. As you can see here, the Antonio text is applied to the title here, and this is the subtitle, which uses Helvetica. These numbers in the X and Y axis are labeled with Helvetica. Here, the number is Antonio, and the subtitle is in Helvetica. Let me know if you have any questions about my design choices. Thank you for your time.